Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the new clearance markdowns and penny list for this week at Dollar General. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now first up, I do want to remind everybody that in last week's clearance markdown and penny list video, I did include a lot of new visuals. So if you missed that video, make sure that you go and check it out, because there are a lot of categories in that video that we are not going to be talking about in this video. Also, I uploaded a video going over some surprise penny hauls that you guys have sent in, so make sure that you go and check that one out as well. And also, I did upload a visual video going over future penny items that are currently sitting at 70% off. So all of those videos will be listed and linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright, so now we're going to go over the new clearance markdowns and penny list for this week at Dollar General. Please do not forget that these prices will not change until Tuesday morning, January the 16th. Up first, we have our New Year's party category dropping down to just 10 cents, again, starting on Tuesday, January the 16th. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at all the items that are included in this category. The UPCs are on the screen if you need them. And there are some of these items that we can use year round. We do have paper plates. We have some little wine glasses. We have napkins. So look high, look low, look everywhere you go. I know that some of you all have had really good luck finding these items. And some of you are like me and you just can't find them anywhere. But don't let that get you down, because you just never know with Dollar General. The employees could pull out that box of New Year's Eve stuff tomorrow and set it out on the sales floor without even thinking twice about it. So look high, look low, look everywhere you go. And don't forget that these are marking down to 10 cents starting on Tuesday, which means that these will penny out very, very soon. Also, don't forget that if you guys want to send in pictures of your hauls or your penny or clearance finds, you can always send them to my email, which is crazycoupons1@gmail.com, or you can reach out to me over on Instagram, and that is @crazycoupons. All that information is in the description box below. Now, next up, we have our Christmas storage items dropping down to 25% off starting on Tuesday. I am very excited about this markdown, and hopefully you guys are too. Now, I do have the full itemized list along with all the visuals for you, so we're going to take a look at all the items that are supposed to be included in this category. So up first, we have the Bella brand locking tote 120 quart, and these do have the latches on the sides that lock down that top. Up next, we have the Sterilite oval bow boxes, normally $8. I absolutely love these. You can use these for so many things. I even keep one in my car with a first aid kit and an extra blanket, so super excited about this item. Up next, we have our huge Sterilite 45-gallon wheeled latched tote. Here's the picture that they have in the app. Here is the picture that I took in store. Guys, look high, look low, look everywhere you go. At most of the stores that I've been to, I've been noticing, I'm not sure why they're doing this, but I've been noticing that they have been placing these huge totes on the top shelves. All right, up next, we have our Whitmore gift wrap organizer. So here's the picture in the app. Here's the picture that I took in store. The UPC code is on your screen, and these are normally $5 each. Up next, we have our Whitmore Christmas wreath and garland storage bags. Again, here's the picture that's in the app. Here's the picture that I took in the store. UPC code is on your screen, and these are normally $5 each. All right, up next, we're going to take a look at a couple of red totes. Now, you guys be really careful with these. Make sure that you're either matching up the UPC codes or you are scanning in store before you go up to the register. First up, we have this 30-gallon, 121-quart red locking tote. And then we also have the 10-gallon or 40-quart red locking tote. UPC is on your screen. And again, scan, scan, scan before you go up to the register, because we are going to find other red totes in our stores that are core items that will not clearance out with this category. category. In other words, just because it's a red tote, that does not mean that it is a Christmas red clearance tote. All right, up next we have the small deco box. These are about the size of a shoe box, normally $4, and on top of the lid it does say Joy, so don't forget to look out for those lids. And going right along with it, we have our large deco boxes. These are about twice the size of the small deco boxes. These are normally priced at $8 each, and as you guys can see on the lid, they have the word cheer. All right, up next we have these Sterilite 2-layer ornament boxes. I think these are fantastic. You can take out the little ornament inserts, and again, these are 2 layers, so you're kind of getting 2 little storage totes in one. These are normally priced at $15, and I don't think that these were included in last year's Christmas clearance markdown, so I'm really excited about this one. All right, up next we have our holiday string light reels or light spools, clear 2 count. These are normally $5 and the UPC is on your screen. All right, guys, now on the next 3 items, I still have a little bit of investigating to do. I do not have pictures of what the packaging looks like. These items could be packaged very similar to the Whitmore items that we saw at the beginning of this category. But like I said, I still have a little bit of investigating to do. Hopefully a few friends will help me out as well. So if you guys find these items with the correct UPC code, please take a picture and send it into my email or on Instagram. I really appreciate it. But even without those pictures, we still have tons of information on these items. So here we have the 9-foot Housewares tree bag, red and green, 1 count, normally priced at $8. UPC is on your screen. We also have the Housewares 30-inch wreath bag, again, red and green. UPC is on your screen, and these are normally priced at $5. And last but certainly not least, we also have the Housewares gift wrap bag, normally priced at $5, and again, the UPC code is on your screen. All right, now before we take a look at our penny list for this week at Dollar General, I do want to remind you guys that we still have our Christmas seasonal category, our Christmas apparel and socks, and our Christmas party and stationery. All of those are still sitting at 70% off. Then we also still have our Christmas pet, our Christmas baking, Christmas candy, Christmas picnic, and Christmas air care. All of those categories are still sitting at 50% off this week. And then last but certainly not least, we have our Christmas gift sets, which still only includes that one gift set that is currently marked down to 25% off. Again, if you are missing visuals for any of these categories, make sure that you go back and check out the video that I posted last week because there are tons of new visuals in that video. Now, this week at Dollar General, we have our Pampers swim diapers dropping down to just 1 penny. Again, starting on Tuesday, January the 16th. We have the large 10 count, the medium 11 count, and the small 12 count. So look high, look low, look everywhere you go because these will be a penny starting on Tuesday. Now, one last thing before you all go, make sure that you check out the pinned comment right down below this video. I do have a quick little update on our 5 off $25 scenarios video, so make sure to check that out. And that's going to be it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned because I have more crazy deals coming at you all very soon. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things, subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.